It's 12:15 p.m. I'm BCTV's Roland Boyden with a special midday version of 545 Live with a report on last night's BHA DRB drama. We are broadcasting this in HD, so if you're watching the replay on YouTube, be sure to upgrade from 480p to 720p HD in the bottom right corner. All right. Since Tropical Storm Irene, occupants of 4 Brattleboro Housing Authority Melrose Terrace properties have been displaced after a ruling from the zoning administration determined that substantial damage to the property was higher than the 50% repair limit stipulated by FEMA, making the houses ineligible for repair and reoccupation. Last month, the BHA filed for appeal asking the Development Review Board to overturn the ruling. Right before that meeting, I spoke with BHA Director Christine Hart about the appeal.
What we hope will come out of the meeting with the DRB is that they will accept our market study and they will accept the cost estimates from our contractor, John Burnell, and that in doing so, the costs of the final repair for these 5 buildings will be under the 50%, which is the FEMA limit.
That's Brattleboro Housing Authority Director Christine Hart speaking Friday before the November 7th Development Review Board meeting. That meeting, which lasted 5 hours, ultimately produced this decision from the board.
The board, at this point, feels that the applicant has not met the burden of proof required for determination of substantial damage or improvement, as outlined by the FEMA guidelines. We would like the applicant to provide us with more information to enable us to make a determination. More information will be a uniform estimate, uniform and hopefully credible estimate.
All right, that gets us caught up to last night's meeting. After a lengthy discussion last night, the Development Review Board did vote to allow work to recommence on the 4 remaining Melrose Terrace properties, providing that the BHA meets certain conditions.
The Development Review Board, as a matter of policy, has determined that for fair market value, we will take and give the highest form to an appraisal provided by a licensed Vermont appraiser. So in the case of Brattleboro Housing Authority, we are accepting the appraisal provided by Dart Everett as the denominator in the equation or the calculation for substantial damage. In terms of the recent estimates provided by Brattleboro Housing Authority and Bob Stevens and Associates, we're going to accept those estimates as is, with the following adjustment that code improvements will be included in the value, and that gives us substantial damage percentages for building 159 at 44%, for building 165 at 37%, for building 246 at 43.91%, and for building 248, 45.15%. I'm looking for a motion to uphold the appeal of Brattleboro Housing Authority.
So moved.
Second.
All those in favour?
Aye.
Those against? I abstain. Motion passes 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 0, 1.
DRB Chair Tim Cuthbertson now has up to 45 days to issue the decision in writing, after which there remains a 30-day appeal process. Should it all stand, work will recommence, but it could be up to 75 days from now. In the meantime, the displaced residents can only do what they've been doing for the past 3 months. Wait.